Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch Pro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's find the option called the sounds, and once you find it, tap on it. And as you can see here we have the silent option. This is the silent mode, and if you want to turn it on, you need to tap on the switch. It will get flicked on, and now the silent mode is enabled, so the sounds on your watch will be muted. They will be disabled. And if you want to disable the silent mode, you need to basically enter this sounds menu, find the silent option, tap on the switch again to disable, and you will see, or rather hear, the confirmation. So if you disable the silent mode, you will hear the beep, which indicates that the sounds are enabled on your watch now. And of course, once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.